Technology is making strides every day, and we are here to celebrate it. Welcome to Galore Techs. In this video, we will check out some of the news-making stories from the world of tech innovations and see how they are changing our lives for the better. So without any delay, let's get into the details. If you're tired of needles and constant health checkups, a Dubai-based company XPNCEO may have a solution. They have come out with a new set of smart lens prototypes that blend augmented reality, health monitoring, and enhanced vision into their product. The lens can analyze your tear fluid to monitor vital health indicators like glucose levels, hormones, and vitamins, all without a single blood drop drawn. That's right. Utilizing advanced biosensors and nanoparticles, they provide real-time health data, helping you stay ahead of potential issues. Plus, with wireless power transfer, there's no need for bulky batteries. Just pop them in and go. It's like having a personal health assistant right in your eyes, making health tracking seamless and non-invasive. Solar panels are no doubt an eco-friendly source of energy generation, but they sure look unappealing. The South Koreans may have solved this issue now. Korean researchers have unveiled a groundbreaking, fully transparent solar panel that does the job. Not only that, but these solar panels are completely wire-free, hidden away from human sight, and can be made into windows, meaning that now they will not only let light in, but also generate electricity. How cool is that? It utilizes an ABC design, all back contact, which allows the electric connections to be hidden on the rear, maintaining a clean, glass-like appearance. These panels absorb ultraviolet and near-infrared light, converting it into electricity via photovoltaic strips concealed at the back. So many people suffer from weakened bones as they age, and it hampers the quality of life they could have had if they had stronger bones. Researchers at EPFL in Switzerland, in collaboration with the biotech startup Flowbone, have developed an innovative injectable nanoparticle hydrogel that could revolutionize osteoporosis treatment and transform the lives of countless people. This hydrogel, composed of hyaluronic acid and hydroxyapatite nanoparticles, mimics the natural composition of bone and can increase bone density 5 times. This promising solution may help reduce the complications of osteoporosis that right now affects 50% of women and 25% of men in later parts of life. This one is for the speed enthusiasts. The Hennessy Venom F5 Evolution has just claimed the throne as the most powerful gas-powered production car ever made. With a jaw-dropping 2,059 horsepower from its 6.6-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, this beast rockets from 0 to 200 miles per hour in a mere 10.3 seconds and even outpaces the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. Weighing just under 3,000 pounds thanks to its carbon fiber construction, the Venom F5 Evolution is engineered for raw, unfiltered speed. Hennessy aims to shatter the 300 mile per hour barrier, and with this machine, they are well on their way. Would you like to travel across the world in just a couple of hours? Well, you might have to wait just a little longer because the Chinese are developing something along the lines. They have made some significant strides in aviation with the development of the Quantianhou, or Flying Monkey, a supersonic passenger aircraft capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 4, which is twice that of the retired Concorde. Unveiled by Sichuan Lingkong Tianxing Technology Commerces in Chengdu, this aircraft is designed to operate in near space, between 20 to 100 kilometers above Earth. The company plans its maiden flight in 2026 to test aerodynamics, heat-resistant materials, and power systems. CRISPR is famous for gene editing, but scientists at Rockefeller University and Memorial Sloan Kettering have discovered that the CRISPR-Cas10 system can also act as a self-destruct mechanism in bacteria. When a virus invades, Cas10 produces molecules that convert the cell's energy source, ATP, into a toxic form called ITP, effectively shutting down the infected cell to prevent the virus from spreading. This surprising defense strategy reveals that CRISPR systems are more versatile than previously thought and could inspire new approaches in medicine and biotechnology. Neuralink's brain-computer interface, BCI, is a groundbreaking implant that enables individuals to control devices using only their thoughts. In a remarkable demonstration of this technology, Noland Arbaugh, a 29-year-old quadriplegic, was able to play Mario Kart with his children by simply thinking about the game controls. This feat was made possible through the collaboration between Neuralink and Grok AI, which translates neural signals into actionable commands. This advancement not only showcases the potential of BCI technology to restore independence to those with mobility impairments, but also highlights its capacity to reconnect individuals with their loved ones through shared experiences. How wonderful, right? An engineer has made it possible to do a lot more with your computer when you have no internet access. In a video, we can see a real-time demo of a webcam doing AI image analysis without needing the internet. Using small VLM, a compact vision language model, and llama.cpp, a lightweight framework, it runs entirely on your laptop. No cloud, no servers, just real-time AI right on your device. It can analyze images and generate text descriptions instantly, showcasing the rapid evolution of open-source AI. This means faster responses, enhanced privacy, and a glimpse into a future where powerful AI tools are more accessible than ever. We have all seen the hand from Addams Family, but technology has now made it possible to do it without any VFX. Bionic's Hero Pro is redefining prosthetics with its groundbreaking wireless bionic arm. It's made with durable 3D printed nylon PA12 and boasts a 360-degree rotating wrist and a waterproof design. The standout feature is, of course, a detachable hand that can crawl independently to grasp objects controlled via wireless sensors. A 19-year-old influencer, Tilly Lockie, who lost both hands unfortunately due to meningitis, has showcased just how incredible this tech really is. It interprets muscle signals for precise movements without the need for implants by utilizing non-invasive myopod EMG sensors. The Hero Pro offers 7 customizable grip modes and includes a touchscreen fingertip for smartphone use. The person is even able to lift up to 57 pounds of weight. We all have our dental woes, but here's good news from the world of dentistry. In a groundbreaking achievement, scientists at King's College London have successfully grown a human tooth in a lab for the first time. Is it time to say goodbye to those artificial implants? Probably not yet. The team developed a novel material that mimics the natural environment of tooth development, allowing cells to communicate and initiate the formation of a tooth. This advancement could revolutionize dental care by providing a natural alternative to fillings and implants. Unlike traditional methods, lab-grown teeth derived from a patient's own cells could integrate seamlessly into the jaw, function like natural teeth, and possess the ability to repair themselves. This breakthrough needs more research, though. It feels as though everything can generate clean energy nowadays, because apparently even rain-like drops have been used to do it. Scientists at the National University of Singapore have developed a method to generate electricity from falling raindrops. By channeling water droplets through a tube lined with specific materials, they harness the triboelectric effect, which is similar to static electricity from rubbing a balloon on hair, and as a result, produce energy. In their experiments, this setup was able to power 12 LED lights. Incredible! Another groundbreaking medical achievement has come out from National Taiwan University Hospital, where surgeons have successfully transplanted a beating human heart. This zero ischemic time procedure eliminates the traditional pause in blood flow, significantly reducing potential damage to the heart muscle and improving transplant success rates. By maintaining continuous oxygenated blood flow throughout the process, NTUH's innovative approach sets a new benchmark in cardiac surgery, promising better outcomes for patients worldwide. Scientists at Northwestern Polytechnical University in Xi'an, China, have successfully grown mini antlers on mice by implanting stem cells from Sika deer antlers. The team took special antler cells from sika deer just 5 days after they shed, then implanted them into the foreheads of mice. In just 45 days, mini antlers sprouted. This is a huge step toward future human limb regeneration and bone repair, and may solve the issue of limb and cartilage loss due to disease or accident. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting Galore Techs videos. Thanks for watching.